This is the last part of question 2. We are required to write the main program to implement the pH monitoring system. This type of question usually comes with some guide like this and will make use of functions written earlier. For this question, there is also a function for us to use for displaying pH value on the 7-segment display. Let us now start writing the function. As this is the main program, we will start with void main void. From the guide, the first thing is to initialize the system. There is only one thing to initialize in this simple system, that is the serial port. So we'll call initCom function, which is written in question 2.1. In embedded system, once we have initialized the system, we will write the main part of the program in a while loop, so that it will repeat the task forever. We begin the main task by reading data from pH sensor. Recall that we have written a function in question 2.4 to perform this task, and that's read pH function. Not to confuse this with readCH function that reads 1 byte of data from serial port. Next, we are going to display pH value on the 7-segment display. This function is given below, so we can just call the functions here. This followed by display the pH value indicator on the color LEDs. Again, we have written this function earlier in question 2.5, and that's the disp LED function. The last part is to check if pH value is between 68 to 82 inclusive. This means that the value must be greater than or equal to 68, and it must also be less than and or equal to 82. If it is, turn off the flashing light. Referring back to the diagram, flashing light is turned on by setting 1 at P2.6. So to turn it off, we set P2.6 to 0. Otherwise, which is an else in programming, turn on the flashing light. So we set P2.6 to 1. That's all for the main program.